Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, FinTech with Team Bees. I hope you're making cool cash over there. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so that YouTube can alert you once new video drops. Warm welcome to our returning subscribers and viewers. I hope you have a great time watching today's video. Stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to put you through how you can send crypto token from one decentralized crypto wallet to another, how you can send cryptocurrencies from one decentralized wallet to another decentralized wallet. So from one wallet address to another. So in this case I'm going to make use of Trust Wallet. So, we have a lot of decentralized crypto wallets. Example, we have the Trust Wallet, we have SafePal, we have the MetaMask, we have several list of them, Token Pockets, so, and lots of them. So, but every one of them function almost the same way. So, I'm making use of Trust Wallet for this video. So open your Trust Wallet. So right now I'm already in my Trust Wallet and I want to send BNB from one wallet address to this wallet address. I hope you get what I mean. I want to send BNB. BNB is a coin by Binance and is on the Binance Smart Chain. So what am I going to do? Click on BNB. Click on BNB. As you can see here, click on BNB. So I want to copy the address of this wallet. I want to send BNB to it. So I need to copy the address first. So and when you're copying the address, you must ensure that the name matches what you want to copy, which is BNB, and it's on the BNB Smart Chain. So the next thing is click on receive. Click on receive. So because I want to receive BNB into this address, so and ensure that you confirm what is here every time before you make a transaction. So only send BNB Smart Chain network assets to this address. Other assets will be lost forever. So and also confirm that it is BNB coin because your lost assets, it's non-regainable. So alright, so click on copy. Click on copy. As you can see here, click on copy. So right now go back to the wallet address that you want to send the coin from. So right now I want to send the coin from this wallet. So I'm already in this wallet. You can see it's another wallet. It's another wallet that I named Eardrops 2024. So the other one was main wallet. So it's just the same thing, you sending your wallet address to someone to send money to you. But in this case, because I'm the one doing the video, so I have to make sure I do it by myself. So that's why I have to switch. So right now, what am I going to do? Since I've already copied the wallet address from the other wallet and I want to send BNB to that wallet. So you click on BNB here too. And as you can see, I have some small coin here. I have 0.0035 BNB, which is worth $1.08. So click on it. So after you've clicked on it, what are you going to do? You are going to click on send. instead of receive, because you are the one sending to another wallet, or the person that wants to send to you is sending from his own wallet to you. So you click on send. So after you've clicked on send, what are you going to do right now? You've already copied the wallet address from the previous address, or from the address you want to send the coin to. So you just click on paste here. So as you can see, the wallet address has already been pasted here. So how much are you now sending? How much are you sending? So I'm sending 0.003. So that is 0.93 BNB from this wallet. Mind you, I have $1.08 in this wallet. So I have to give uh, a, an addition for the fee, although the fee is very very minute, but you have to make sure you make chances for the fee. So just click on next. So that means I'm going to receive this amount, $0.93 worth of BNB, which is 0.003 on my other wallet. So right now you click on next. Click on next so you can proceed. So once you've clicked on next, it will take you to the confirmation page, so where you have to confirm the transaction. So once you are done vetting what is here, so you just click on confirm, confirm, confirm. So and you authorize the transaction. So as you can see, it's showing processing. It's showing processing. Your transaction is processing. So let's wait for like 1 minute. So the transaction should be successful. The transaction should be successful. So you can close this already. You can close it. So right now you can just drag your wallet down to refresh. Drag it down a bit so you can refresh. So as you can see, my $1.08 has reduced to 0.13. So right now let us go to the wallet that I sent it to. So in this case, on your drop down, and this is the wallet that I sent it to. So as you can see, the $0.93 worth of BNB has already reflected here. And looking at your assets, I have here in my Binance, I have 0.003 and the worth is 0.93. So that is just as simple and very straightforward. If you follow through just as I've done it in this video, you will never make any error, you won't encounter any mistake. But mind you, always be sure that you copied the correct wallet address, and make sure you confirm. Don't be in a haste so that you won't lose your funds. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it has really helped you. So kindly subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, and we'd love to see you come back to watch the next video that will be uploaded. Thank you so much. Bye.